Assalamu alaikum student. Dr. Naveed Shahad, your course instructor is here. Today this is our 32nd lecture. In this lecture we will talk about forensic science. Student, we cannot cover this topic in a single lecture. So we will try to take it as an introductory lecture about forensic science. So let's start. What is forensic science, or what is a forensic? Forensic is a study of forensic is study and use of science and technology to resolve criminal, civil, and regulatory matters. A background in biological sciences, medicine, chemistry, and DNA analysis prepares you for a career in forensic science. Application of science to criminal and civil laws is the main involvement of forensic sciences. Forensic scientists collect, preserve, and analyze scientific evidence during the course of any investigation. Forensic scientists travel to scene to collect the evidence themselves. Other forensic scientists occupy a laboratory role, performing analysis on objects brought to them by other individuals. In forensic sciences, the main thing is the gathering evidence. How forensic scientists collect the data or evidence from the spot, from the scene. Forensic scientists visit the scene for a crime to search for and collect possible evidence. They also catalog everything they remove from the scene, removing collect from the scene, and make detailed notes describing each item and noting its location at the scene. Forensic scientists also preserve each item they remove, and they often photograph or sketch the scene and all evidence collected. How the evidence analyze? Analyzing evidence in forensic scientists spend most of their time at forensic laboratory testing evidence collected from the scene. A serologist might test a victim blood for the presence of illegal drugs or toxin. A firearms examiner might test bullet fragments to determine what kind of the gun they were fired from, or might watch or might match them to a gun belonging to a suspect. A DNA analyst might compare DNA found on a victim's body to that of a suspect to determine if he was the one who assaulted her. Assaulted mean here attack on her. Next is the collaboration. How forensic scientist collaborates, and what type of the bodies involved in this collaboration. Solving a crime requires teamwork from a sometimes diverse group of the investigators. Forensic scientists often work closely with the fellow law enforcement professionals, including FBI, CIA, or other any agency of each and every country, immigration officer, police officers, detectives, other forensic science professionals, prosecutors, and defense attorney. Forensic scientists keep investigators updated for their findings and explain their results in a way that helps officer determine whom the whom to question and how to structure their investigation. So collaboration is the another important part of forensic science. Without collaboration, forensic science, you may say nothing. Next is the describing their findings. When forensic scientists collect data, then analyze. After analysis, what kind of finding they have. Forensic scientists complete their analysis. They explain their conclusions in detailed written report. These reports become part of the permanent case file and are used by detectives to help them target their investigation. Forensic scientists often testify as expert witnesses in criminal trials, where they must explain their findings in a way that a lay audience can understand. Subclassification of forensic. There are different subclasses of forensic. We will discuss each class, subclass one by one, but just at the level of their definition or introduction, not in detail. Forensic investigation. Forensic investigation is the examination of documents and interviewing of people to extract evidence. Forensic investigation is fast emerging as a lucrative professional practice field. With the increased sophistication of the white collar criminals, there is a demand for well trained expert to carry out investigations and also institute preventives, deterrence, and detective measures. What is art forensics? The art authentication cases to help research the work's authenticity. Art authentication methods are used to detect and identify forgery, faking, and copying of artworks, for example, paintings. Other subclass of forensic science is a computational forensics. In computational forensic, the development of algorithm and software to assist forensic examination. Criminalistics, the application of various sciences to answer questions relating to examination and comparison of biological evidence, trace evidence, impression evidence. Other is the digital forensics. What is digital forensic? The application of the proven scientific methods and techniques in order to recover data from electronics or digital media. Digital forensic specialists work in the field as well as in the lab. Other type is the ear print analysis, a mean of the forensic identification intended as an identification tool similar to the fingerprinting. Forensic accounting. Forensic accounting is the study and interpretation of accounting evidence. Other is accounting mean related to cash, related to money. Forensic aerial photography. This is another subclass of forensic science. Forensic aerial photography is a study and interpretation of aerial photographic evidence. Next is forensic anthropology. This is application of physical anthropology in a legal setting, usually for recovery and identification of skeletonized human remains. Remains mean we say bakiyat, remain parts after death. Forensic archaeology is the application of a combination of archaeological techniques and forensic science, typically in law enforcement. Next is the forensic botany. In forensic botany, the study of plant life in order to gain information regarding possible crimes. Maybe if there will be any kind of murder in the field, and during murder if plants are affected, so forensic expert can observe and can understand this disturbance of plants is actually how many days old, or how many hours old, so they can understand the actual timing of this crime. So forensic botany also help for forensic sciences. Forensic chemistry, the study of detection and identification of the illicit drugs, accelerants used in arson cases, explosive and gunshot residues. Other is forensic dactyloscopy. This is a study of fingerprints. Forensic data analysis takes advantage of uniqueness of an individual's DNA to answer forensic questions such as paternity, maternity testing, and placing a suspect at a crime scene, for example in a rape investigation. Other is forensic engineering, the scientific examination and analysis of structures and products related to their failure or cause of the damage. What is forensic entomology? You know entomology from enta mean insect. The examination of insects in on and around human remains to assist in determination of time or location of the death. Forensic geology. Forensic geology deals with the trace evidence in the form of soil, minerals, and petroleum. Other is forensic geomorphology. In this is a study of the ground surface to look for potential locations of buried object. Forensic geophysics is the application of geophysical techniques such as radar for detecting objects hidden underground or underwater. Forensic intelligence. This is start with the collection of data and ends with integration of results within into analysis of crimes under investigation. Next is the forensic interviews. Forensic interviews are conducted using the science of professionally using expert using expertise to conduct a variety of the investigative interviews with the victims, witnesses, suspects, or other sources to determine the fact regarding suspicions, allegations, or specific incidents in either public or private sector settings. Forensic limnology, analysis of the evidence collected from crime scenes in or around freshwater sources. Forensic linguistics. Linguistics mean tongue or language. Deal with the issue in the legal system that require linguistic expertise. Forensic metrology. Forensic metrology are site-specific analysis of past weather conditions for a point of loss. Forensic odontology. This is study of uniqueness of dentition, better known as the study of teeth. Forensic optometry. This is study of glasses and other eyewear relating to crime scenes and criminal investigations. Forensic pathology, a field in which principles of the medicine and pathology are applied to determine a cause of death or injury in the context of a legal inquiry. Next is a forensic podiatry, is an application of study of the feet, footprint, or footwear and their traces to analyze scene of the crime and to establish personal identity in forensic examination. Forensic psychiatry is a specialized branch of the psychiatry as applied to and based on the scientific criminology. Forensic psychology is a study of the mind of an individual using forensic methods. Usually it determines the circumstances behind a criminal behaviors. Other is a forensic seismology. This is a study of the techniques to distinguish the seismic signals generated by underground nuclear explosions from those generated by earthquakes. Next is the forensic serology. This is a study of the body fluid. Forensic social work is the special study of the social work theories and their application to a clinical, criminal justice, or psychiatric settings. The practitioners of the forensic social work are often termed social supervisors. Forensic social worker are approved mental health professionals or forensic practitioners. Next is the forensic toxicology. This is a study of the effect of the drugs and poison on or in the human body. Forensic video analysis, the scientific examination, comparison and evaluation of the video in legal matters. Next is the mobile device forensics, scientific examination and evaluation of the evidence found in the mobile phones. For example, call history and deleted SMS and included SIM card forensics. So these are all the subclasses of forensic science. Now we will talk about labs. Parts are units of labs. In forensic lab, there are different units which work like a single unit. Zero case recipient unit. It's actually zero in takeover of the case, exhibits and handling over reports. The sealed parcels are accepted after examining seals, the condition of the packets and forwarding letter, sample in the parcel sent to the appropriate division for analysis. Other is the after lab examination, the leftover portion of the samples are forwarded to this unit to be returned to the police. So student, you can say case recipient unit is actually like a reception area from where any kind of the sample will enter into the lab and will move for the different units, and after complete investigations or evidence analysis, finally report will be issued from this unit. First is the biology division. This deal with the biological material like blood, semen, saliva or hair. Also undertakes examination of skeletal remains to find out the species of the origin, race, sex, age, stature of biomaterial. Other is identifies dried blood stains and blood fluid, compare hair and fibers, identify and compares botanical material such as wood and plants. So these are all activity controlled by the biology unit. Next is the serology unit or division. This is created as a result of the ever increasing load of the serological examination. This division is responsible to find out species of the origin, blood groups, substances, enzymes, serum proteins, etc. in biological material such as blood, semen, saliva, epithelial cells, tissues, bones, hair, teeth, cavity, like this. DNA profiling also done here. Third division is the chemistry division. This division carries out chemical analysis, both qualitative and quantitative. Adulterated petroleum, fertilizers, medicines, burnt remains deal in this division. Next is the toxicology division. This division undertakes chemical analysis of all material related to the suspected poisoning, stomach wash, vomit, injection site, etc. Other is the physical division. Analysis physical it's actually a physics division is actually deal with the analysis building material like adulterated cement samples, cement sand proportions, strength of the building material, analysis of the glass, sand, soil, paint, dirt, tool and cut mark identification, restoration of the obliterated marks, writing or numbers. So student, most of the time whenever you attend the news, if there is any kind of the crime scene, and then newscaster tell us about the forensic evidence. They all were talking about if there is any kind of demolishing of the building, then forensic science will be involved. So you look here, physics division will deal such kind of samples about the building materials. Other type is the other division is the prohibition and excise division. This division analyzes a sample of the spurious and illicit liquor, alcoholic beverages, blood alcohol level. Other division is narcotics division. Samples of all narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances are sent to this division for analysis. Also analyze precursor chemicals used for manufacturing drugs and psychotropic substances. Next is the document examination unit. This unit provides the skills needed for handwriting analysis and question document issues. This also analyzes paper and ink indentations, obliterations, and burnt or charred documents. Ballistics or firearms divisions. It's related to weapons, related to guns or the other kind of the tools. This division involved in the identification of the firearms, live or fired ammunitions, distance of fire, correlation between the ammunition and the firearm, gunpowder residue analysis. Next is the explosive division. In this division, analysis of chemical nature of a material used in an explosions. Photography unit. This unit examine and record physical evidence at the crime scene and at suspect location. Next is the latent fingerprint unit. This possesses and examine evidence for latent fingerprints, that is those found on the surfaces. Polygraph unit. You have seen or even listen about polygraphy of a suspect. This unit uses lie detectors, is an essential tool of the crime investigator rather than forensic scientist. Lie detector identify about the mind or thinking of that person. Next is the voice print analysis unit. This unit involved in cases of the telephone threats or tape recorded messages. Investigators may be able to connect a voice to a particular suspect. So student, this is all about forensic science. Especially we will discuss different subclasses of forensic sciences, then different divisions of a forensic lab.